Till now, there has been a lot of fake news making the rounds that board examinations for Standard 10th and 12th have been cancelled. But finally, the Council has given official confirmation via their press release that the board examination for the academic year 2020 2021 has been cancelled.
Hmm, board exams have been cancelled. Wasn't Suhani also in the current 10th standard? I must call her. Hi Suhani, how are you?
Hello, Auntie. I'm fine. And you? It has been a long time since I last talked to you.
I'm fine as well. But I heard on some news channels that your board exams have been cancelled.
Yes, the news channels are right. The council has indeed cancelled the 10th and the 12th board exams.
Yes, you must be so happy. You don't have to work hard at all to get marks. How privileged you are to be spoon fed marks all the way till the end.
No, Auntie. I worked hard all year and it was quite hard to cope up with the sudden change in the mode of the education. So it isn't really our fault and it is not like we are incompetent.
Sure, as if I would believe you. My own son used to study 10 hours a day. I have seen the amount of time you all spent on your phones doing absolutely nothing.
Hi.
Yo, dude, what's up?
Nothing much. Just Chavi auntie called me for the sole purpose of berating me about our board exams. She just will not understand what we went through in this year and thinks we all just waltzed our way through it.
It's okay. Pay her words no heed. She has no clue what challenges each and every single student has faced while adapting to this online method of education. Listen, if she does not show you some respect or courtesy while talking to you, why should you even bother to listen?
Thank you for comforting me. I really needed it.
Hey, just noticed you are getting marks for free, not working even a little bit, and getting everything handed to you guys on silver platter. That must be such a great news for you. Now you can listen all day and get marks too. I wish I was in your shoes. I had to study 10 to 12 hours daily and was not active at all on social media. Lucky you.
Upon hearing such distressing and harsh words from one she considered to be one of her closest friends, she was shocked.
Hey, are you okay? I thought you'd be overjoyed that your exams had been cancelled. Why so sad?
I got calls and messages from some people criticizing me that I'm so lucky I don't have to work hard at all. Like they don't even know what I'm going through or how hard I had prepared and given all my exams till now and how much I was prepared.
Hey, take a deep breath and calm down. What a relation truly means is if the person is happy during your joys and acts as a shoulder for you to cry on during your sorrows. If not, don't consider them as your well wishers. It's moral value called respect, which sometimes people forget while trying to showcase their superiority. You remember one thing you need to respect yourself enough to let it go of someone who doesn't see your worth. Hello, sir. I wanted to talk to you regarding my daughter. Nowadays, everyone is mocking and criticizing not just Suhani but everyone for not giving the board exams this year. What should I do about this, sir?
We know, sir. We can see the efforts that the students have made in this past year adapting to this new mode of online education. Even we had a hard time teaching students without even being able to see them. Either ways, these exams do not determine the future of any of them. They are responsible for forging their own futures. Society always judges people, and it is our decision whether those judgments make us or they break us.
Thank you, sir. I will be sure to convey your words of encouragement to her.
For trolling and mocking the 10th or 12th standard students for completing the year without board examinations, just want to let you know. We have worked hard throughout the year and have survived extraordinary circumstances. All of us have adapted to a completely new form of learning, saw our family members fall sick or even dying. We missed out on precious moments of our lives and had to deal with strict quarantines in an age when all we wanted to do was spend time with our friends and have fun. Every year, when the board results are out, you go out screaming. Marks don't matter, your hard work pays off well later. So, why are you harassing already stressed out children? Let them be. If we had also given the boards, like all the years before us, and regardless of the marks we earned, you would have treated us with the same respect and adulation that you treated them, right? And just because we passed out on the basis of our pre boards doesn't diminish our bright future. Life has its own ways of testing one's caliber. For one, should not just prove one's point but understand the others as well. We should treat others and acknowledge their hard work as we would want ours to be done. Because respect is not snatched, it is earned.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, ciao, ciao,